Pop. So you already know what part of the day is this. This package right here is from SRM, SimRacingMachine.com, an amazing company for my sim rig setup. We're about to change this into a third-party wheel, like a deep dish drift wheel, a regular trucker wheel, any wheel that you want to, without having to be stuck having to use a same Fanatec wheel on this CSL direct wheel drive base pop. So I got the quick release right here. Now what we just got is a simulator, so you put it in here when you take this wheel out, right? Look, pop, bing. So you see those pins in there? So there's that little piece, I guess, like something like that was made by this ingenious man to put in here, pop. Oh my God, to put in there, ping, without this actual wheel, because these pins are actually attached to these wheels. So what he made was a device that has no wheels, just the little pins in there, pop, and then you could attach any other wheel. And apparently, obviously, the wheel may not have buttons, so you're gonna lose out on your button functions that you have for the Fanatec wheelbase. But I'm hoping you have a button box, or you can use a keyboard as your button box. You can add some, I know how to do it like that. There's a certain way to do things like that. You'll be able to use a few, or you could use a digital button box the way I do with another app, and I'll show you that in another video, but I'll place the links to that. It's called Sim Dashboard. Amazing. I pay about $4.99, I think it is, for certain games, but I think overall it's like 12 and change for the whole month. But anyway, back to this, because I'll take you around the world. Bing. So let's get to it. Let's open this box and let's see how it looks. Now, you got a lot of people that would have complained about the way the box is packaged, because we always find something, but I'm not. This is amazing. Pop, and here's why. You see these little things? It makes sure that everything is secure. They feel like comfy. And here goes the magic. So look at it. That looks sick. Sim Racing Machines. Pop, and then the other one is in here. So once you get through the packaging, the tape and all that, you good. I ain't gonna lie, these little boxes are amazing. I'm big on packaging. Whoever knows me for making this content knows that. The packaging is like probably more important to me than the product. It says a lot about the company. So this is the adapter right here. This is a QR adapter for Fanatec new style QR, which is this pop right here that I had bought after taxes and everything. This quick release, the QR Club Sport quick release adapter in black, is gonna run you like $73, $74, something like that, after taxes, shipping and handling. I'm in New York City. I don't know where you at, but it was like 50 something bucks with the shipping and handling and all that. It came out to 70 something. Facts. This product with this, the SRM, and what I picked up today, these two little boxes, comes out to $107 after shipping and handling, which you got to make sure you get the right shipping. You can see what just happened to me. But what else is in this box? Oh, this is all the information. Obviously, it has my info. I don't need you swatting me. Oh, I can show you this. Look, this is what it is. That's what's in there. These two little, that I got it in yellow, and it says top in red, only because, I mean, who's gonna really forget in there? But people have made videos. I forgot. I don't see me doing that, but it's yellow anyway, so I can see it. It's noticeable, right? So adapter, Fanatec, QR1, QR2. Let's get it. That boy on. Oh, before I forget, look, an amazing sticker. I'm a sticker fanboy. Fanboy. Pop. And this is their card. Amazing. So they stay well communicated with you. Me and the guy spoke, and I said, you're gonna have to refund me my money due to the shipping and FedEx with the lies. And he hit me back immediately. As soon as I send him the email, pop, He opened it up and he was like, no problem. I'll send you back your money. I have no problem with refunding you. But first, no. He told me a few things I could do and then told me that if it's not here by the morning to let him know and he'll send it out again free of charge. But now the style of opening this is amazing. This actually goes in here. You see how they're packaging this? I didn't even know that. That's cool. But I guess it saves the money like that because it's not actually like printed on the box. I wish it was, but what else could you want, right? We want a lot for a little bit. We gotta stop being like that, people. Let's get to it. Pop. So inside here is this. Doesn't it look amazing? Watch. Ping. That's it in here. And you gotta be real careful because it has pins. Bing. You see? See the pins? Now these pins go in there. Pop. And this goes in here. The correct way. Pop. How could you forget that's in there now? You gotta be a Maury. Right? Pop. So you insert it in there like that. And it says actually top. So you're gonna see it right there. Pop. Up here it says top. And then it says SRM in the bottom. Working on a car, you know, we're gonna get greased up. Pop. So it's self-explanatory. Once you push it in, it goes in nice and smooth. You're gonna know that it went into the pins. So I did it like nice and easy with ease. Pop. And it's nice in there, nice and tight. Self-explanatory. How could you forget that's in there? So that's why I got it yellow. Besides the fact that, you know, it runs through me. It's my favorite color. I don't know why. Red and yellow, red and yellow. Well, actually it's gold and red, but the exception of yellow. Now this next product by SRM is the most difficult one. This is going to give us the hardest of time. I mean, it's going to put us to work because we got to screw things on and off. It's right in here. Let's check it out. Now, basically, this is an adapter made specifically for this brand and make. Fanatec, top of the line sim racing and drifting simulator type of situation. And you're going to need this. These are hard to find. Now, this was about, I think, 40-something bucks. This little thing is super durable. It's definitely metal. It's lightweight. It weighs damn near nothing. They could have probably mailed this in an envelope. But it has the 6 holes that you need for traditional drift racing and sim racing wheels. And for any steering wheel, even actually the steering wheel within your actual car, like these products actually fit real cars. It's the same materials, same products, same quick releases and all that. We just added to this, which is virtual reality type situations, if you understand what I'm saying, right? So hoping that you get a major good experience, we're trying to make it as best as possible with SRM. This is not a sponsored video. All products are bought by me. Let's do this. So the other quick release gets attached to the side ones, and then the wheel gets attached to the inner one. Cool. We're still waiting on 3 more products in the mail. So now, being that this is the quick release that I'm going to use, even though I plan on buying another one, and I have a different one for this wheel, so I'm probably going to attach that other one back on this wheel, which is the regular QR. This is the QR. I think the other one is light, and then this is the one. They got a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But anyway, this is the one that you need. And this goes attached to here. You get it? See the funny shape? That's why this is shaped flat like that, but the inside is round for the wheels. So we're going to figure it out. We're going to take this out, and we're going to add another one on here, the one that it actually came with, because I added this one. It's from the same company, but you buy it separate. They not dumb at all. So let's get to it. Fanatec. Bob, so now we got to get these screws off this steering wheel that I had got on sale by RASTP on Amazon. This wheel was only like about 30 something bucks. Now that one that's in that plastic or under that plastic, that one was $80. I'm gonna place them both in the link in the description. They're amazing. But I put this one on here to mod the Logitech G920 with a hub and a quick release that's on that one, a red quick release, and it worked amazingly on the Logitech G920. But I need this wheel to put it on here. That was the goal. Pop with the simulator. But I modded the Logitech G920. You know why? After I got the Fanatec, because I said I was gonna do it, and I always like to keep my word with my supporters and viewers, and I never want to make it seem like I'm capping, because it may seem like a cap, but believe me, the only thing I have a lot of, and the only caps I know are these. Pop, like this Crooklyn hat. Facts. That's the only cap around here. So I did that because I said I was. Now let's get to it. Oh my God, we gotta clean up in here. Woo! Look at the knob. This guy's amazing. Pop for the stick shift. Bing. Let's go. Yo, stop. So you can see real brief, this is how it looked when I had it on there. Pop. Got that out the way. Oh, this hub cost me, just the hub, about 20 something bucks on Amazon. I'll place the link for this too. You're gonna need this if you're trying to mod that. Well, it's usable for a lot of stuff, but yeah, amazing. Bob, so what we got is one more screw left. Put all the screws right here. I had to bring it to the table because leaning over and all my desk in my office are occupied for now. That's the good thing about having a big house. Woo! Yeah, respectfully. So right here, I just wanted to show you how I put it on the Fanatec wheel. Hopefully you can see it a little something, because I have recorded this in vertical. I don't know why, but trying to put this video together now. So that's the gold one from RASTP on Amazon. Now we got to take out the quick release from the other wheel. Bob, now I had to take out this quick release from this wheel, because remember I had put this on the Logitech G920. This was an amazing quick release for the price point. It was only 20 something bucks on sale on Amazon. I really didn't even get to utilize it, to be honest. I used it a few times, but I was really looking forward to using this wheel with the Fanatec. But it is amazing with the Logitech G920. It just makes it a little heavy when you add this. Don't weigh, but when you add the big metal hub that to connect this to the wheelbase, then the wheel being so deep dish and hanging over the situation, so the gravity, I guess, makes it way heavier than just putting like the flat wheel that I just had on there the other day. But we got it off. Let's see. Let's put it on the Fanatec, or try for now, because I'm waiting for another quick release for this, so it could go in all screws. Right now it's only going in like 4 on the Fanatec quick release, but it's still holding up pretty good, the other wheel. Let's see this one. Now I must say, this has all been an amazing experience. The products are amazing. The wheel feels magical. I'm glad I got into this. It's definitely therapeutic. At the same time, when you complete something, it makes you feel great, like I did that. We're missing one more product, so all 6 screws could screw in, but with 4, it holds well.